2, 3, let's switch this up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adine. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. And if you're OG, triple OG, welcome back to my channel. So on this channel, we're all about nails, beauty, and lifestyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created these nails right here, only using these products that you see on the screen. Of course, a brush, but I will be using these dual nail forms that I got from Amazon. This Betsy Solid Builder Gel from Betsy, obviously, and my Apres Gel Top Coat. So if you're interested in how I got these beautiful nails with these products, then keep on watching. Okay, so here's the product. Like I said, this is Betsy's Solid Builder Gel. So it is a builder gel, but it is in a solid state, meaning that it's super hard. As you could tell, if I flip this bottle upside down, the gel's not going to be running everywhere. It literally stays in place, and that's why I love it. So I'm going to take this spatula and I'm going to pick out how much gel I would need. And I'm going to grab my dual nail form and I'm going to place that inside the form. And here I'm just showing you more of the texture. You really don't need a brush for this. You can use your hands. I'm going to be showing you how I do that. So after I pick up the gel, I put it inside the nail form, and I'm going to use my fingers, you guys. Just use your fingers and mold the gel into the nail form. One tip I would suggest is to roll the bead into like a ball and then place it in the nail form. Make sure the tip that's closest to your cuticle is nice and flush, and then you're just going to mold the gel into the length and thickness that you would like the nail to be. All right, so here you are. It should look something like this. Sorry, I was out of focus here. So make sure you prep the nail, okay? Make sure it's not a soft surface. You want to make sure it's nice and textured just like this. So the builder gel can adhere to the nail plate. So I'm going to put this nail form down onto the nail plate. And you want to make sure you leave a little bit of a gap near the cuticle, because when you press down, a little bit of the gel is going to come out from the top and the sides. So you want to make sure you have enough space for the gel to not spill over too much. And if you do see some spillage, use your fingers or a brush and just kind of tap them in to make sure it's not too overly like over the nail or over flooding the cuticle. And then once you do that, you're going to cure it. And then you basically have a form nail after you cure it. You're going to grab your e-file or a hand file. You're going to file the nail into shape. You really don't have to do a lot because the nail form does a lot of the work for you. Here I'm just making sure the cuticle is nice and flush. The sidewalls are nice and straight and they don't have any bumps or anything. Because if you ever use nail forms, you know they kind of leave like an edge around the like a little like a little ledge around the edges of the nail. So you want to make sure you smooth that out. And then you're going to use your favorite top coat and you're going to top coat the nails. Before that, you could design them if you want, but I wanted to keep it simple to show you how you could do a super cute basic full set from home only using 3 products, which is amazing. So once you do the top coat, you're going to cure it, and then you have a set of beautiful, gorgeous nails. All right, you guys, so there you have it. Look how beautiful these nails look. They're so pretty. Make sure you check out Betsy. They have, I think, 3 colors. They have this pink, they have a nude, and a clear. I really love this technique. If you're on a time crunch or you want to try a different technique of doing nails, let me know what you think of this method. I would love to see or know what else you would like to see on my channel. Make sure you come back for another video, and you guys have a great day and take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.